Humidity, but so far not the heavy rainfall, so we've got that going for us at least the next few hours. But we're in sort of that soupy air mass where, yes, can't rule out some showers and storms today. But as you can see with the radar and satellite, we are pretty quiet for now. We're at 65 degrees at Central Park. The winds are light, mainly gray for the next few hours. It's really one of those days where you don't want to be without your umbrella or the rain gear, because we see those chances increasing as we go through the midday and afternoon. Even some thunderstorms possible later this afternoon and evening. Kind of the hit or miss, but when they hit, they're going to put down a lot of heavy rainfall pretty quickly, so you want to be ready for that. But even through this evening and into the overnight, stays mild. Mid and upper 70s today, still near 70 degrees overnight. All right, let's see how things are shaping up and if we can get any of this construction to wrap up this morning, Adele.
Yeah, if you could call on Mother Nature and maybe give us a couple sprinkles.
Adele's got you covered. I'm going to start with the humidity because that's changed since yesterday. Talking dew points, absolute measure of how much moisture is in the air. When you're in the low 60s, it starts to get a little uncomfortable. We're going to be pushing dew points in the 70s by tomorrow, so that's really uncomfortable. As far as the radar and satellite, it's pretty quiet, just gray. 66 at Central Park, 65 in Sussex. You do see some showers off to the south and west, so we're still in the mix here of unsettled weather. That's how we'll call it, because from time to time you may get a passing shower or thunderstorm, so be ready for it. By the afternoon, especially noontime temperature 71 degrees, on our way up into the mid and upper 70s. We'll be about 72 at 5 o'clock. Could get a thunderstorm to come on through at that point, and still a chance for some showers and some thunderstorms overnight. Stays really mild and muggy though, even through 10 o'clock in the 70s. All right, let's see where we're seeing those slowdowns this morning. Adele, you've got some subway commuter alerts and changes?
Yeah, we're definitely seeing some delays with the subways right now, which will, of course, make it a little...
Winds has eased up a little bit, so even the Point Pleasant beach camera looks a little less crazy than it did yesterday. So the radar and satellite for now for us is quiet. 66 muggy degrees at Central Park, at 62 in White Plains. We stay mild today into the 70s, but keep an eye on the radar. We will off and on chances for showers and storms once again throughout the day, but especially second half of the day today. So you want to be ready for it, because any that do come about could put down some heavy rainfall quickly. So by noontime, 73 degrees, an occasional shower or thunderstorms possible. It's not going to be everywhere all the time, and even overnight we have icons every hour, but the chances there is just not going to be everywhere all the time. Look how mild it stays too. Temperatures in the low 70s overnight. All right, let's see where those problems are. I don't like to hear the word problem and Lincoln Tunnel, Adele, because that can't be good.
With any of the crossings,
right.
When you hear a problem, you know it's going to cause a mess, and you always feel